Hi there, in this tutorial, we'll show you how to add music to Spotify. So first, open the Spotify app on your device and search for the song or album you want to add. You can search for music by tapping the search icon at the bottom corner of the screen. And once you've found the song or album you want to add, tap on it to open it up. From there, you'll see the like button beside the title. Okay, tap on it to add the song or album to your library. This will save the song or album to your like songs or like albums playlist on Spotify. You can also create a new playlist to add a song or album to. To do this, tap on the dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on add to playlist. Okay, and then after that, tap on the new playlist. Give your playlist a name. Okay, just have to tap on that. And then think of a name that you think is the right one for your playlist. Then you can now add a song or album to the playlist. Choose the playlist you just created, and the song or album will be added to your new playlist. Okay, and that's it. You have successfully added music to Spotify. You can now listen to your favorite songs and albums anytime and anywhere. Bye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more update. Bye.